smoking that we are rubbish pack. Cheers, guys. Good luck in 2025. 2024 is the year of the truth. 2025 is the year of the demise. And it's going to be the year of the demise. Super Duper Mick, Top Gooners, and multiple other people around the world. Sadly, it is what it is. The truth always comes out. However, we stunk our way to a win. Absolutely disgusting performance. But don't worry, guys. We got the win. Just be happy. Happy with what? We got the win. Just be happy. We're rubbish, mate. Rubbish. Time wasting. At home to Ipswich, who are getting relegated. Phase 5, you know. Phase 5's looking kind of peak. But don't worry, guys, because we saw positive signs. Even the top gooner can't dress that rubbish up. We were crap. Yeah, but Lee, they had no shots on target, yeah? Well, they're not supposed to have any shots on target. We're mighty Arsenal in phase 5. We're super duper meek. 750 million quid deep. £750 million deep. Wow. Okay. Cheers. Oh. But what? Bukayo Saka. Oh, you see the Super Gooner sitting online saying it's not that bad. He hasn't had to have surgery. Oh. Yeah, well, I'm hearing. Well, clearly you're not, mate. You need an ear test. I'm hearing Super Gooners online. This is. Yeah, I'm hearing that he never had to have surgery. They're posting this crap out to the public domain. Cool. However, Super Duper Mick has confirmed after that shit show tonight that Bukayo Saka is out for many, many weeks and months after having, you've guessed it, surgery. Grade 3 tear. What have I been telling you guys? Yeah, I've been giving it the big un, not giving it the big un and agreeing. And anyone who's watched this indifferent. What have I been telling you? This geezer is finished by 24. But Lee, you're negative. Lee, you're toxic. You're doing it for the clicks. You're just saying any old rubbish just to get maximum traction. Yeah, you're the enemy of the fan base. Cool. Bukayo Saka's done a grade 3 tear, mate, and had to have surgery on his hamstring. Do you know how peak that is? Do you know how bad that is? He'll never be the same again. Never be the same again, mate. Yeah, why? Oh, because this manager has only ever signed a couple of attacking players. And he's never signed an attacking player. So, in his words, yeah, free up the load. He loves the word load. I bet you love the load, bruv. Yeah, I bet you love that load. Yeah, that load of dough going in your bank account, mate. 15 million a year. Yeah, this guy has lied through his teeth for 5 years. 5 years, you know. 5 years to prolong his employment at this football club, this once great football club that is now a shadow of the club I started supporting 37, nearly 38 years ago. It is an absolute disgrace what this guy has done to players' careers. Gabriel Jesus, well, the purple patch is over. Well done, mate. Thanks for your 5 goals. Yeah. We'll see you when we play Palace again. Yeah. 29. Well done. You won us the game. Cool. Fantastic. Wow. Great, mate. Trossard. Yeah. Apart from that cross and one mad pass that you did, which resulted in Jesus being offside. What did you do today? In fact, F that. Let's go to our captain. I swear down, the very next game we play is against Brentford on New Year's Day. I'm a poet. I fully know it. Don't watch where the football's going if you're watching on TV. Just watch our captain. And even if he goes off screen, you know roughly where he is. So keep your eyes peeled because he'll trot back in. Yeah. He'll run around. He'll shimmy around side to side. One of them ones. Yeah. He did more snot flicks. Yeah. More rubbing his nose, more scratching his face, and more hair flicks in general than he had touches of the ball or completed passes tonight. The guy is shit. Yeah. And you guys will wake up. I know I'm right. What did he do? Our club captain. Oh, but he gets goosebumps, Lee, when he leads the team out under the lights at the Emirates to that stupid song that shouldn't be our songs. It's about crack dens and prostitutes. But don't worry, we're the classy Arsenal. Classy. There ain't nothing classy about this football club. It's an absolute disgrace. Absolute disgrace. Yeah, but Lee, we won the game. Why are you so negative? Why am I so negative? We had one attacking player on the bench tonight. Ethan was on the bench, lads. Ethan. That was our only attacking player. Mikel Merino, what did you do when you come on? Oh, you kept giving the ball away. Okay, cool. Cool. Declan Rice. Fair play to you, mate. Fair play to you. Yeah, because you were comfortably the best player on the pitch. However, the bar was low. The bar was low. Yeah, at least he had a go, though. At least he was trying to get stuck in. At least he was trying to drive forward. At least he was trying to score a goal. At least he was trying to drive forward. What are we doing here? Embarrassing, mate. From this lot. From this lot. And we're here. Phase 5. Don't worry, though, guys. January sales are coming. They'll have some merch up for sale. Yeah, get your new merch. They'll drop some new Adidas merch. Yeah? Cool. Yeah, defense didn't really have a great deal centre-back wise to do. Yeah, the goalkeeper didn't have anything to do. He didn't have to make a save. Which is why I don't really care. Don't really care, mate. What was our midfield and attack doing? Gabriel Martinelli. Oh, wow. Wow. Another player this manager has ruined. Turned him into a touchline winger when he was actually fucking good as a striker, which is his actual position. Gabriel Jesus, what were you doing? What were you doing? Oh, another player this manager's ruined. Rushed him back after having knee surgery, only for him to have 2 more knee surgeries. And he's finished. Bro, learn Arabic. You're going Saudi, fella. Yeah, real talk. Real talk. 29. Walking around like he's tranquilized again today. What does this guy actually do? Yeah, but Lee scored the winner. And what, mate? And what? The guy's shit. Guy can't trap a ball. Couldn't trap a bag of cement. Nicking 280 grand a week. And people want to get on my case. This guy's earning 280 grand a week. These men don't know they're born, you know. Yeah. Look at the effort they put in tonight. Embarrassing. Yeah. And you know what's mad? I don't even necessarily blame them. I don't necessarily blame them. That manager is telling them okay, the mutants got us, bruv. Yeah. They're brain dead, some of these players. Literally brain dead. Martin Odegaard had a chance, yeah, where he dropped his shoulder. He sold the geezer to the shop. So, yo, you can go to the shop, fella. Yeah. And he had a chance to drive through the middle. Yeah. Now, the centre-backs have to come out, which means he could pass the ball to one of our forwards, or he could whip a shot. What does he do? Takes another touch, spins around in a circle, snots in his nose, flicks it all over his fucking greasy hair. Yeah, bruv, real talk, get an Alice band. Get an Alice band or fucking cut your hair, bruv. Like, real talk. I am sick to death of this guy. Then he lets the ball run out of play because he couldn't trap the ball because he's fucking awful. Yeah. And he's like doing arm waves. Are you taking the piss out of me or what? I swear down there, I drink alcohol. I smoke cigarettes. I like cigars. Give me 6 months, yeah, of their training, yeah, their diet. Yeah, I swear I can pass the ball better than him, and I swear down I'll score more goals than him. That captain needs to fuck off, mate. I've had enough of that PR merchant. Yeah, get him out and get this manager out. This facade, this Ponzi scheme, yeah, this absolute farce, yeah, needs to end. I'm sick of it. Yeah, get him gone. And on that bombshell, Kenny's next. Yeah, then Jez, then I'm live. Laters. Cronky out. Yeah, because you're culpable, mate. Not Stan, because that guy don't know what day it is, bruv. Yeah, he's trying to dodge a coffin. Yeah. Josh Cronky, who wants to speak to the fans, but never has ever since he said it, by the way. Cool. Well, you're welcome here, mate. And I'll tell you exactly what time it is. And I'll get some proper fucking people on here as well. Yeah, and we'll see what time it is, innit? Because you ain't got a clue about our club. You're milking it. Yeah, you're a scumbag. Cronky out, because he is culpable. And all the fans, yeah, that have bought into this crap, you're part of the problem. Yeah, in fact, you are the single biggest problem, because otherwise they'd have to raise their standards, not these two. Yeah, because these two had standards, mate. Yeah, laters.